This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in the city of Richmond. More specifically, I'm in Church Hill, and today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home. This home is located here in an interesting Church Hill block. Catty corner, our subject property, we have some bungalows, and several of those have been newly renovated. Directly across the street, we have a more traditional 2-story homes that we typically see in Church Hill. On the corner, we have a home that is not yet renovated. However, there's a development sign in the front yard, and that, of course, is a welcome site. That means probably within the next few months, that home will undergo a transformation, and it too will join the ranks of a renovated property here in Church Hill. Special thanks to Bruce Richardson, the listing agent, my realtor friend, who was kind enough to allow us to come in and take a look at this beautiful home. You can see we've got plenty of signage here, letting you know that it truly is an amazing property. One of the things I love about the finishes here in the exterior, we have hardy plank. Hardy plank is a very durable material. It is low maintenance, and it is definitely an upgrade to vinyl siding. Vinyl siding is the choice that a lot of rehabbers go with, but hardy plank is definitely a premium choice. One of the challenges that rehabbers face with older properties is floor plan and closet allocation. And those are two things they did extremely well on this home, and I'm excited to bring it to you. As we come in, we have an amazing presentation here. This home is staged, and we've got some more signage here. I'm going to make sure I follow instructions and kick off my shoes. Fortunately, today I am hole free as far as my socks. I'm a single guy, so please don't judge me. Here at the front, we've got a nice foyer area. These are brand new wood floors that look absolutely amazing. And let me take you straight on back. We're actually going to go straight back down the hallway. I'm going to show you what we have here to the left. Our understair storage, of course, it is set up as a closet, but we've got all of our wiring. So one of the beautiful things about a newly wired home is that all of your connections are in place for your internet, for your television, and you don't have to worry about running a whole lot of lines because that's been done for you. This home features a 2-zone heating and air system. This is a carrier system. Both of these are going to be heat pumps, so this home is all electric. We do have a very convenient powder room situated right here on the first floor, which is a nice plus. I love the tile choice here that they went with as well. Nice contemporary look. Okay, as we come back into the main section, to the right, of course, is going to be our family room section. We've got really nice tall ceilings, recessed lights, ceiling fan, our dining section right here in the middle of the home, and then of course our kitchen to the rear. One of the really nice features I love about this is the quartz countertop that we have. We've got plenty of seating here on this side. You can get several bar stools in, and a gorgeous glass backsplash that is a really nice touch. Underneath the cabinets, we actually have under cabinet lighting as well that's in place. And another light there on the vent, the range hood rather. This is a unique option here because of course it comes straight down from the ceiling. Not something that we commonly see, but I like it, a nice high-end look. Here to the left is going to be our laundry. Your washer and dryer would go right there. And of course we have storage overhead. As we continue to the rear of the home, here to the left is going to be our walk-in pantry, and look at this. This is amazing. We have about 10 feet here on this side, and then our electric water heater, which is brand new, is in place right here. A little bit of space there, so if you wanted to put a cart, you could of course do so. Not a good idea to block your breaker box and keep you nice and safe by having that accessible. All right, directly across, a couple things I wanted to point out here in the kitchen. We have cabinetry here that's very well done. Now, what you typically see on this end in lower level rehabs is this board would not be here. And so what that does is it gives you the edge of the side of the refrigerator. With a more custom finish, you have that board there, and it just makes a much better appearance. We do have the smooth top range, our beautiful gray cabinets all the way down. To the left is our double bowl sink with our commercial style faucet. Just a really beautiful kitchen. And our stainless dishwasher straight ahead. All right, directly ahead is our informal space here. So this is where you would actually sit down and grab a quick bite. If you didn't want to sit at the big table, you of course have another option. Let's go out back real quick and see what we have here in store. I love that we have sidewalk back here. This is a nice touch. You don't have to worry about dealing with grass or anything else back here. It keeps it nice and neat and clean. Less to cut as well. As we go on back, we of course have sidewalk leading to our rear parking area. Of course, here in the city, we have alleyways, and alleyways serve a couple purposes. Number one, it gives you access here to the back of the home, and this is where the sanitation trucks come as well. Of course, this would be the parking, and you could definitely get probably a good 4 cars here with no problem. All right, let's go back in and see what else we have in store. I'll give you a shot here of our rear exterior. These are, of course, new windows as well. And you can look at that masonry there and tell that that's new work also. So a lot of work was done to make this home as beautiful as it is. All right, as we come back in, we are going to go to the left. This is actually a first floor primary. Very unusual here in the city to see a first floor primary. And the reason being is that you usually don't have enough space in urban properties to have a first floor primary. But they were able to get one in with this home and actually do it very well. You guys know I'm a big fan of plumbing fixtures. Not only do you have your traditional shower head, but you've got the detachable wand there. Love the tile choice here around the tub shower area. And we've got good looking finishes here throughout this bathroom. We're going to go out now to the right, and this is going to be our walk-in closet. You can see we've got a good amount of space here. A couple different rods, 3 different rods, and our wood floors continue into this space as well. There's enough space here in this bedroom. You could easily get a king in with a sitting area, and so it's a very nicely allocated space. All right, I'm now going to take you upstairs so we can see what is in store on our second level. If you are not familiar with Church Hill, this is a very historic part of Richmond and Virginia, for that matter. There is a church, St. John's Church, that is not far at all, where Patrick Henry gave his "Give me liberty or give me death" speech. In addition, there are other national historic sites here just within a few minutes drive of this very location. Okay, here to the right, this is going to be a linen closet, because directly to the left is a full bath. Love the beautiful white color palette with a touch of gray. We have a seat here with a view. And then our tub shower. Notice we have tile finishes here, no fiberglass in this home. So one of the other big benefits of this price range and a good rehab is that they're able to come in and give us some premium finishes. This door, of course, takes us to the next bedroom. You can access it from the hallway or from the bedroom. So this could be a second primary. This one's nice because we've got those 3 beautiful windows there at the very front of the home. Definitely plenty of space here. You could go as big as a king with no problem. And we also have a very nice sized closet. They did a great job in redesigning the floor plan here in this home. As we continue down the hallway to the right, yet another bedroom, and this one also very large. Recessed lights and ceiling fan are featured in this one as well. And this closet's going to be about the same size as the last one that we saw. Now I'm going to take you towards the back of the home. Here towards the right, we're now entering the second primary suite, or third primary suite. There's so many primary suites in here that can be used as such, it's kind of hard to keep track. This is going to be our upstairs carrier unit. That's a heat pump. This heat pump, its primary job is going to be for cooling. It's not going to put out a lot of heat in the wintertime because heat rises. So that will suffice for additional cooling here on the second level. To the right is going to be another walk-in closet. And this one is actually larger than, I believe, any of the others. So we've got really good sized closet space here. This is probably a good 8 feet or so across. So really nice sized closet. I'm going to save the bathroom for last. I'm going to show you the rest of this bedroom. And boy, look at this. You can just tell by the number of windows alone how big this space is. We've got a sitting area right here and just additional space galore here in this bedroom. That is going to be a king size bed, and we've got plenty of space on either side. So if you're the type of person that really likes to lounge in your bedroom, you could of course do here with absolutely no problem at all. I really love what they did here with this floor plan, but there's more. I still have to show you the primary bath, and it definitely does not disappoint. Our water closet section there to the right, our beautiful tile shower there, once again with 2 shower heads, plenty of space to stretch out there. And then we have our nice deep modern soaking tub. Now that's a really deep tub there. You have your natural light that of course is going to flow in there to the left. And then we have an absolutely gorgeous double vanity here with plenty of storage down below. We do have a marble-like tile on the floor, which I think really ties it all in nicely together. And a special shout out to the stager who really helped make this home come alive. I love it when an agent takes the time and energy to stage a home and really make it show its absolute best. It makes it great as far as a potential buyer. And they've done studies and they actually show that staged homes sell for more money faster than non-staged homes. They've got some really sharp statisticians that work on doing all types of calculations in real estate. And it's been proven staged homes do better than non-staged homes. All right, that is going to do it for this beauty. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I did. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.